told myself I'd take a break. I did. But now I'm here. We're in this area. Don't know if I've been here before. I can't tell. Ooh, look at this. A dew gem. Let's see what that is. A dew gem. Okay. What this? Okay. Spirit medicine, huh? Okay. Yay. Some cookbooks here. Maps. We already know about that. It was something else. Like I wanna. I'm just gonna look at these dragon stuff. Stuff. Ah, notes. Yeah. Mirror. Oh, there we go. Map of discarded. Okay. Ah, sealed spirit spring. Right on, should you you may break the seal. Whatever that is. Yeah, you have to buy stuff first. Seal, stack stones. Okay. Well, people like to topple things and smash things, so there is that. Okay. I think we've been here, though. It looks like we have. So, just kind of doing anything extra here. Look at this doggy. Yeah, we've been here. It's really trying to tie up some loose ends, most notably the jackass with the beast claws. I've been trying to find him, and I haven't. I guess he got scared and ran off. Big gay baby. Are. Bye-bye. I guess I'm not a worthy opponent. I'm sad now. Not really. There's animals. Here. Okay. Where are we going? Will I ever find that? Oh yeah. Remember this? We've seen that before. What is that? Okay. Precious item ahead. Okay, see what is that? Here? Is this the spirit seal? Okay. A larval tear. Okay. Guess that could be precious. Okay. Oh, no! Let's not fall down, go boom, okay? There's a tower. Yeah, been here, done that, bought the t-shirts, saw the movie. Yee! Guess the guy with the claws no like us. I've been here. Oh well. Alright, let's see what's down here. I don't think I've like fully checked this place out. I really don't remember. I don't remember. Oh, scorched ruin. cookbook. Maybe we can summon the mimic here, but why? Or liar ahead, yeah. Okay, got a thingy here. What is this? What this? A hefty cracked pot. Ah, nice try. Okay, there is. Okay. There's touching grace here. Bad dog. Oh no, bad dog. Okay. So, we got another touch grass. I don't know if I've touched a grass here before. Okay, well there we are. In rest. Okay. So, fingers, and then there is that. I thought I saw a ghost there. Precious, let's see, have we spoken to this person here? I don't know. I honestly don't remember. Okay. I know. Oh, okay, we've seen that. Alrighty then. Yeah, we've lost here before. So, check out that furnace golem. I think like ice is probably its weakness. Just saying. You just... fruit. Let's see. Wary of strong foe and then jumping. I think this is what they're referring to. So let's see what happens. Oh my god! That's some serious damage. Oh my god, are you serious? Well, now we know.